So we're going to Trudy's Underground Barbecue today, and you might be asking yourself, what is Trudy's Underground Barbecue? You may not know this, but we do not have a good barbecue scene here in Los Angeles. So Bert, who is Trudy's Underground Barbecue, decided he would be the solution to that. He went to Texas, he researched, he ate a bunch of barbecue, and he started smoking brisket and ribs in his backyard. Well, it happens to be a half a mile from my house. He's been written up an eater. He only takes orders via Instagram. You have to eat it at your house, you pick it up at his. We'll get more info from him, but we're really excited, so bye. What a refreshing liqueur. My devotion to this is so far-reaching that it is 96 degrees outside and I'm walking my ass to brisket. Why can't I speak in a southern accent right now? I just tried and it was going to be like this. Go and get some brisket. I'm usually really good at this accent. I don't know what's happening. Where my southern soul go? Well, shoot. Maybe I'll get it back after I eat my brisket. We're about to eat this brisket sandwich. What is it, onions on it?
There's a little bit of sweet onion, there's a little bit of barbecue sauce, and there's a lot of
meat. I'm so excited.
Keep in mind, we're in LA.
Oh my God.
Not bad for LA. We're not in Texas. This guy's from Texas. He's spoiled.
It's so good.
Yo, LA!
You want a bite? This is incredible. It's all about the simple things in life. Do I have sauce all over my face? Sauced. I'm the only girl here who's and bacon sausage.
Duck and bacon!
Duck and bacon!
Duck and bacon! It gets along very well.
Thanks. I'm about to eat the duck and bacon sausage. Put straight into my mouth. Oh my God. It's so fatty. Is something on me? It's so fatty and decadent. One bite? Psycho mine. Okay. Are you filming? Because I'm scratching my armpit. Oh. So, fuck. We just got the barbecue. Bert gives topo, which... Anyways, we're gonna go home and we're gonna try it. I tried it on Wonder Bread with barbecue sauce and onions, but I'm gonna go home now and try it unadulterated so I can get the real flavor in my mouth. Go away! That's my dog. Now I'm gonna try it just by itself, and oh, he makes this barbecue sauce too. It doesn't really come out. I took... Yes, Dad. My dad's in the background watching. He's my biggest fan. I'll just try it like this. Some sauce and some brisket. Some things in life are so good, just being simple. This is one of them. It's so fatty and delicious in the best way. It's not overly seasoned. It's not overly salty. So much brisket is so salty that it just like pinches your face up and parches you. You actually taste the meat here, which is amazing. And I appreciate that so much about Bert and his passion for brisket. Next up, my dad really wanted to cut these sausages, but is this duck? Is this bratwurst? Oh my God. Bert So good. Thank you for bringing barbecue to Los Angeles. My mom's gonna be so upset I'm talking with my mouth full. Bye, everybody. Did you think that was good, Dad?